Imagine this. You wake up exhausted, dreading another chaotic morning where you either skip breakfast or grab something unhealthy that leaves you sluggish by 10 a.m. What if I told you that in just 10 minutes? You could whip up a delicious, doctor-approved breakfast that torches fat, boosts energy, and keeps you full for hours? Hi, welcome to Health Secrets. Today, I'm revealing 5 simple keto breakfast recipes that have transformed the lives of my patients, and they're about to transform yours. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have the tools to kickstart your day like a health champion. Let's face it, mornings are tough. You're juggling work, family, or just the sheer exhaustion of modern life. And breakfast often falls by the wayside. Maybe you skip it entirely, leaving your energy tanked and your cravings out of control by midday. Or perhaps you grab a sugary muffin or cereal, only to crash an hour later, feeling foggy and frustrated. I've seen this pattern in countless patients over my 30 years of researching human health. They come to me tired, overweight, and battling blood sugar spikes, all because their mornings set them up for failure. The standard American breakfast is a carb-loaded disaster. Toast, bagels, and orange juice sound harmless, but they flood your system with glucose, spiking insulin and stalling fat burning. For those with diabetes or weight struggles, conditions I've studied extensively, this is a daily setback. Even if you're not diabetic, that mid-morning slump hits hard, robbing you of focus and vitality. You deserve better, but who has hours to cook a healthy meal before the day begins? That's the pain I hear time and time again. You want to eat well, but time and energy just aren't on your side. Here's the good news. You don't need hours or a culinary degree to start your day right. After decades of exploring nutrition science, I've honed in on the ketogenic diet, a high-fat, low-carb approach that flips your metabolism into fat-burning mode. It's not just a trend, it's a strategy I've seen reverse insulin resistance, melt stubborn pounds, and sharpen mental clarity in my patients. The secret? A breakfast that keeps carbs under 20 grams while loading you with healthy fats and protein. Even better, I've crafted 5 keto breakfast recipes that take 10 minutes or less, perfect for your busy life. These aren't random ideas, they're rooted in the science of ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel instead of sugar. Each recipe delivers convenience without sacrificing nutrition, tackling your morning chaos head-on. Let's dive into them, explore why they work, and see how they can turn your day around. Recipe 1. Cheesy omelet with spinach. Ingredients: serves 1. 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon heavy cream, 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon butter, salt and pepper to taste. Whisk the eggs and heavy cream in a bowl until the mixture is smooth. Melt the butter in a nonstick skillet over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet, swirling it to coat the pan evenly. Sprinkle the cheese and spinach over half of the omelet. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the edges set. Fold the omelet in half, and cook for 1 more minute. Season with salt and pepper. Then slide it onto your plate. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packing protein and choline for brain health. The heavy cream and cheese ramp up the fat content, keeping you in ketosis, while spinach adds fiber and magnesium, nutrients I've seen deficient in many keto dieters. This omelet stabilizes your blood sugar, dodging the crashes of treated-in patients hooked on carbs. Nutritional snapshot. Calories: 240. Fat: 20 grams. Protein: 14 grams. Carbs: 2 grams. Net: 1 gram. Recipe 2. Almond flour keto muffins. Ingredients: make 6 muffins. 1 cup almond flour, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup melted butter, 2 tablespoons erythritol, keto-friendly sweetener, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix all ingredients in a bowl until you form a thick batter. Spoon the batter into 6 microwave-safe muffin cups. Microwave on high for 90 seconds, or bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes if using an oven. Let the muffins cool for 1 minute. Then dig in. Almond flour cuts carbs while delivering heart-healthy fats, crucial for my patients with cholesterol concerns. Erythritol sweetens without spiking blood sugar, a game changer for diabetics I've counseled. These muffins offer steady energy, unlike the roller coaster of traditional pastries. Recipe 3. Avocado Smoothie. Ingredients: serves 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon MCT oil, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon erythritol, ice cubes, optional. Scoop the avocado into a blender. Add the almond milk, MCT oil, chia seeds, erythritol, and ice. Blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds until the mixture is smooth. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. Avocado's potassium and fats crush hunger and support heart health, a focus of my lipid research. MCT oil fast-tracks ketosis, a trick I've used with patients needing quick results. Chia seeds fight constipation, a common keto side effect I've addressed clinically. Recipe 4. Bacon and egg cups. Ingredients: make 6 cups. 6 slices bacon, 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella. Salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or use a microwave-safe muffin tin. Line each muffin cup with a bacon slice, wrapping it around the edges. Crack an egg into each bacon-lined cup. Sprinkle mozzarella over the top. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Then serve warm. Bacon's fat content fuels ketosis, though I advise moderation for heart health. Eggs and mozzarella balance protein and calcium, supporting muscle and bones, key for long-term keto success in my practice. 0 carbs make this a ketosis lock. Recipe 5. Keto pancakes. Ingredients: serves 2 large eggs, 2 ounces cream cheese, 1 teaspoon erythritol, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon butter. For cooking, blend the eggs, cream cheese, erythritol, and cinnamon until smooth. Heat the butter in a skillet over medium heat. Pour the batter into small circles, 2 to 3 pancakes. Cook for 2 minutes per side until golden. Serve with a drizzle of sugar-free syrup if desired. Cream cheese ensures a high-fat profile, while cinnamon may boost insulin sensitivity, a finding I've explored in metabolic studies. These pancakes satisfy cravings without the carb crash, keeping you in ketosis and mentally sharp. Now that you've discovered these 5 incredible keto breakfast recipes, it's time to take charge of your mornings and unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. You don't have to stay stuck in that exhausting cycle of skipping meals or crashing from sugary breakfasts. These dishes, crafted with science and my decades of medical insight, prove that you can eat well, feel amazing, and still conquer your busy day. Here's how to make it happen with health secrets. Start small, win big. Pick one recipe, like that cheesy omelet, and try it tomorrow morning. Grab those ingredients today, it's easier than you think. Join the Health Secrets family. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell right now. We're bringing you weekly recipes and tips to keep your health goals on track. Share your success. Make these recipes. Then drop a comment below. Did the avocado smoothie curb your hunger? Did the keto pancakes spark joy? I'm excited to hear your story. Stay consistent. Commit to a keto breakfast for just 1 week. Watch your energy soar and your confidence grow. I've seen this transformation in patients countless times. You're not just cooking, you're building a better life, one delicious bite at a time. But here's a quick note from me to you. The information in this video is designed to educate and inspire. It's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, ensuring these ideas fit your unique health needs. Ready to start? Subscribe to Health Secrets today. And let's kick off your health journey together, safely and successfully.